Hello everybody and welcome to our class, HSAM 6400, the last of your simulation courses. I'm Dr. Kamer and I just wanted to welcome you to our session and to the class to show you where things are and what you might find helpful. Please feel free at any time to give me a reach out to see if you need anything. You are always welcome to come visit me in my office if you're a local student. I'm in Scaife Hall 114 at the RMU campus. You can also stop by if you'd like to tour our simulation center or spend any time there as well. And then if you are not local to us, you can always reach me at my email, kamerer@rmu.edu, on my office phone at 412-397-3542. We can call, we can Skype, we can do Google Hangouts, whatever works for you. So please always remember that this semester. A couple of things. So if you're in the class and you click on the Start Here section, all right, in your side panel, that will take you to where we are here. So first off, you can find a copy of our syllabus and our weekly schedule. All right, the weekly schedule will help you with due dates, timing, readings, everything in a table, a one-shot format here for you. See if it will open for me. For you to see. Okay, so we go by weeks. You have your content that's outlined with your links for any material. This is all also in Blackboard, whatever you feel comfortable with. Some students like to print this out just to keep tacked up next to their computers as they're planning. Your assignments, due dates for each item, and then the hours that it's estimated for each thing and how long it will take you to complete it during the semester. You'll notice we have a little bit some front heavy work, and then we ease up towards the end of the semester whenever you're wrapping up, just so you can do your final really kind of cumulative projects, which are things like creating a strategic plan and also doing an elevator speech. And those are things that you'll find helpful as you're learning about being a leader in your simulation centers. You'll see a little bit about me. You can read my bio. I am currently the director of the online nursing programs, but I also have a long background in simulation, and it's at my heart. I do love it. I think you guys all will too. We are also finishing up your e-portfolios in this course, so if you look in week 8, then you will find details there about the last items that you need to add to those to get them finished out. Other than that, you'll see it's pretty much like your other courses that I'm sure you're pretty used to by now. Each week we have our outline of our to-do list of sorts with your links for materials and your assignments, and you can go each week and check those out. If you need anything while the class is going on, again, please feel free to contact me. I'm happy to be working with you this semester, and I look forward to hearing and learning from you as well, so that we can work together and get you the best experience that you need in this course to be successful. Thanks.